guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word здравствуйте, or hello. Let's start with the first syllable. Say the phrase ta-da very fast. Ta-da! Ta-da! The D in this phrase is just like a flipped Russian where the tongue flicks against the roof of the mouth. It's strange but true that English speakers perceive this sound as a D, but Russian speakers perceive it as an R. So let's use this to our advantage and ramp up the speed. Ta-da! 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 This is very close to part of the first syllable in our word. Let's put the Z on the front after we get a running start. Ta-da! 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 Zdra! Ta-da! 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 Zdra! Ta-da! 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 Zdra! Now let's say it with good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Ta-da! 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 Zdra! Ta-da! 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 Zdra! If you're having difficulty, just keep practicing. Over time, you'll absolutely get it. Now we'll finish the syllable. The first V is silent in this word, so we only pronounce the S and the T. Джо танк липс. Тра, 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 здраст. Тра, 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 здраст. Your tongue should be returning to its resting position behind the bottom teeth for the S and the T after it flicks against the roof of the mouth for the R. Джо танк липс. Тра, 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 здраст. Тра, 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 здраст. The next syllable is straightforward. Джо танк липс. Вуй, вуй. The y in the last syllable sounds like a kind of high schwa, and the te requires more air than an English T. Put your tongue high and forward, and let a little air escape audibly between your tongue and the roof of your mouth. Ti, ti. Now the whole thing. Джо танк липс. Тра, 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 здраст, вуй, ти. Тра, 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 здраст, вуй, те. Тра, 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 здраст, вуй, те. Здравствуйте. 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 However, in something called relaxed speech, which we use with people we already know, but with whom we still speak more formally, we omit the vуй syllable. Here we go. Джо танк липс. Здрасте. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, join me on Patreon, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org, where I explain why some letters sound different in certain situations and how you can learn to predict and pronounce all of the subtleties. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!